Alright, thanks for watching. Welcome back. So last time I was talking about the demonetization of my channel on YouTube with the policy changes and all that, with the requirements, I should say. And a friend of the channel, Ben's Sawmill, he mentioned that he was going to shout me out to his subscribers and hope maybe that'll help me out. And I was like, bro, I appreciate it. You know, if you do that, I'll do the same. So Ben's Sawmill is just like my channel, but he's got a bigger sawmill. He's got a tractor. He's got a solar kiln, and he mills more logs at a time. He mills like 15 logs at a time. So if you like my channel, you're going to like Ben's Sawmill. So go into the description. When you're done watching this video, go to the description and click on the link there, and you can find his channel. Hit subscribe, and maybe even go into the comments and tell him that Roy sent you. And from Clavota. And I'd be appreciated because he's a really good guy and he's got a bigger channel than mine. So if we could get him 400 more subscribers, you know, over the next few days, I know he'll appreciate that. And I know you won't be disappointed because he's got good quality content. Okay, well, thank you. And this one is it's pretty simple. It's a wading moose on red oak. It's about 8 inches long by 5.5 inches in height. And it's not quite a true 1-inch piece of wood. It's 0.9-ish, 0.87 I think is what it is. So it's too thick for me to profile cut. So you'll see when I get to the profile, all I do is do about 1/3 of an inch, and then after the carving is complete, I take it over to my miter saw and I cut it out, and then just take it to the router table and round over the edges. Sand it, stain it, it's done. It was, all in all, I think it took about an hour and a half. The vast majority of that was the 3D finishing toolpath. And it came out great. I was pleased with it. It should be a pretty easy sell at the next market. So, hey, thanks for watching. Go check out Ben's Sawmills after this. Ben's, I'm pretty sure he only has one sawmill. So I'm making it plural. I'm giving him another sawmill. But it's Ben's Sawmill. And I appreciate you guys watching. Thanks for everything. Hope you have a great day. Till the next video, I'm out.